So hello everyone, so in this video we will be seeing how we can use form validation in JavaScript. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the basic HTML structure: head, body and our script tags, where we will be writing our code, and this will be the style tag where we will write our style. Okay, so we will initially have a form. Okay, and in that form we will have input type text. Okay, so now what we will do is we have to initially put it inside div. ID will be form control, and now let's get some icons. Okay, so line icon, so go to docs. Here you will get the CDN link, so you can choose the CDN link from here, put it in the head. Coming over here, we will need the icons. Okay, so which icons? Type circle over here, circle, and then we will need the check circle. Okay, so we will need it here, and we will need the question mark, this one, question mark one. Okay, so these two. Okay, and we will have a small tag where we will show our message. Okay, so let's see how does it look. So this is it. So this is very raw. So now let's give some styling. So initially we will give style to our body to align it in the center. So display, flex, align items at the center, justify content will be center. Okay, so it will come at the center. Okay, we'll give some padding. So padding will be 30 pixels. Okay, and here we will have our form, so form styling also. Okay, so before we can give some box shadow to the form, box shadow. Okay, so 0 pixel, 2 pixel and 5 pixel and RGBA, so that will give a bit of that will give a bit of shadow kind of effect. Okay, so and we will have some padding inside the form as well, so 20 pixels. Okay, so now in the form control, the input, we will have a padding over there as well. So padding 10 pixels. Let's see. Okay, so this will be class. Okay, so now let's give a width, for example 600 pixel to the form. Let's see. Okay, and this width, let's say 100%. Let's see how does that look. Okay, so now what we will do is we will dot form control, will give position relative. Okay, okay, so and then we can have dot form control, and then we can have this I. Okay, so we can give position absolute, top 10 pixel, right, let's say 10 pixel. Okay, let's see how does that look. So it came over here. Okay, that's exactly where we need it. Okay, now let's make some copies of this. So initially this will be id, let's say name. Okay, we will give some h3 tag, let's say registration form. Okay, registration form. Okay, so now let's copy this a couple of times. Okay, also we can, what we can do, we can give some line break over here, and then let's see. Okay, so here is it. So let's give it name email. Okay, two more here, password, and this will be confirm password. So we have these 4 forms. Okay, so now coming to this, we will have a button also. Okay, so submit button, input type will be submit. Okay, id will be, let's say btn. Okay, we will style the button as well. Okay, and we can give HTML color code, we can choose some color from here. Okay, so let's say, let's give this color maybe greenish color. Okay, so body, we will give color, background color. Okay, and we will give some color to the form, so that will be white. So background color white, and this one will be this. Okay, so let's see how does that look. Okay, so this is our form. Let's give the button also. So button also will give this color. Okay, so background color will be this only. Okay, and color, text color will be white. Padding will be, let's say 10 pixel and pixel. Okay, top, bottom, left, right. Okay, that's the submit button. Okay, so that's pretty much our form. Okay, so we'll give some more space. Okay, so that because otherwise this might okay, so this small, when we have some text over there, so that it doesn't collide. Let's see. Okay, so this is the initial form. Okay, so when we submit this, we will have our all the error handling and all those done. So this is the basic HTML styling and all. Okay, so now let's move to the JavaScript part. So const, so form equals document dot get element by id form. So we are basically selecting all the items. Okay, so name equals document dot get element by id, we are getting the name. Const, we will be getting the email also. So document dot get element by id, so email. Const password. Okay, document dot get element by id password. Const confirm password, document dot get element by id confirm password. Okay, so basically this is we are getting this selectors. Okay, we are basically selecting those items. Now we'll select the form. So form dot add event listener, so we'll have an event listener in place, which is submit. Okay, when it, what will happen is function. Okay, when the form gets submitted, we will prevent the default behavior of the form. Okay, otherwise the page will reload. Okay, So that won't happen, okay, in this case. And we will have check input, or let us say check input validation. This is our function, okay. Okay, so we will be checking the validation over here. Okay, so function check input validation, okay. So this function will get called and our logic will be here, okay. So here we will get name value equals name dot value, okay. So we will trim and if any spaces are there. So const again email value equal to email dot value dot trim, again if any spaces are there, okay. Const email password value, again password dot value dot trim, const confirm password value equals confirm password dot value dot trim. So we are trimming all this and we are getting all the values, okay. So now we will give the condition if name val equals blank, okay. So if this is empty, so we will call a function, okay. So we will set, okay, this is a function basically. So set error, okay, set error message, okay. So this will, what this will do, this will set the error message, okay. So we will pass the name, okay, the thing which is the item, okay, the DOM element which didn't have the value, okay. So we are passing that and also the message, okay. So name cannot be empty, okay. So we are having this, else set success message, okay, name, okay. So we are passing the name. So we will write these two functions, okay. We will write these two functions. So function set error message input and message, okay. So here what we will do is we will we will call this function, we have called this function. So const, so we will be getting the parent element. So form control equals, so we are getting the element. So input dot parent element, okay. So we are getting the parent element, then form control dot, okay. So some more thing is there, okay. Well, let us do this first. So form control dot class name equals, so we will give a form control and then error, okay. So we basically we are overriding the existing class name with this error and then, okay. So dot form control dot success, if it's success, so initially this will be hidden, okay. Initially the visibility of this will be hidden, okay. Even dot form control small, visibility will be initially hidden, and form control dot success, okay, we will be showing the visibility visible, okay, if it's success. And what we on success I dot, okay, then we will have this check circle, okay. So this visible, okay, and this will be color will be green, okay. Again copy this, and in this case this is the question mark, okay. So this will be error and this will be this, okay. So okay, and this will be red color, okay. And again on error, on this error we will have this small, and what will be small? Small will be color red and it will be visible. Okay, so let's try submitting, nothing happens. Okay, so let's give success for now, hard coding it. Let's see. Okay, success is coming. Let's give error. Okay, so we are getting error. Okay, so now coming over here, so we will remove that error where we gave. We will remove this because we will be putting that using JavaScript. Coming over here. Okay, so coming over here, we have this form control dot class name error. Okay, so if we submit this, let's see what happens. Submitting this. Okay, form control dot class name equals this, we have given this, and then okay, and we are also writing the function set success message input. Okay, okay, same thing, this only. Okay, but this will be success. Okay, so let's see, not happening. Okay, so what I found was the ID was not given, so form ID will be form. Okay, so now it should work. Okay, so let's submit. Okay, there is an issue ABC, let's submit green. Okay, so basically the ID was not given. Okay, so now coming over here, we have this. Okay, but we also want the message. Okay, so for that, form control dot query selector, and then we will have small. Okay, so we are selecting the query over here, so const small, we are having that, then small dot inner text, we are putting that text message over here. Okay, so we are having that message over here in case of error. Okay, so let's see, name cannot be empty. Okay, ABC or anything, and that's gone. Okay, so this is it. Now coming over here, so this was one condition. Now here we will have the second condition. What is it? So if email value equals blank again. Okay, then we will have this set error message. Okay, email, we will pass the email, and email cannot be empty. Okay, else if is empty. Okay, so is empty is a function we will be writing email val. Okay, so then set error message email, and this will be okay, email is not valid. Okay, so and else okay, let me close that bracket. Okay, the bracket is closed. Okay, so else we will have success. Okay, set success message email. Okay, so this is it. Now this function is not written. Okay, so is empty function we will be writing to check the email. So coming over here, function email is not is empty, is email. Where is it? Is email. Okay, so this will check and return true or false if it's a valid email or not. Okay, or let's write valid emails to be more clear. Okay, so is valid email, so is valid email. Okay, so this function, it will take a email as parameter, a string as parameter, and if email dot index of at the rate is greater than 0, that means it's there, then it will nothing but it will return true. Okay, that means it's a valid email. Else okay, it will return false, it's not a valid email otherwise. Okay, so and else the success message will be called. Okay, and so let's try it out. The email cannot be empty. Let's provide ABC. Okay, let's again put, so email is not valid. Let's provide abc@yahoo.com. Submit. Okay, the email is valid. Okay, now coming to our third condition. Okay, so first condition was, let's give some comments over here. First condition was checking name. Okay, second condition is checking email is valid or not. Okay, now the third condition would be checking password match. Okay, so we will check the password. Okay, and confirm password is matching and all those. Okay, so if password val equals blank, okay, then we will give set error message password. Okay, we are passing the password and the message is password cannot be blank. Okay, else if, okay, else we will set success message password. Okay, that's it. Okay, so but we will check the confirm password condition. Okay, password and confirm password match validation will be checked over here. Okay, so if confirm password value, we have to check that also, that should not be blank. Okay, so set error message confirm password and confirm password cannot be blank. Okay, else set, okay, now else if confirm password. Okay, so else if confirm password, okay, confirm password value not equal to, okay, so not equal to confirm password value not equal to password value. Okay, so that means the matching is not happening, then we will send this error. Okay, the error will be to confirm password field. Okay, so the confirm password field will have this error that password, this will get printed. Okay, password and confirm password does not match. Okay, that's the message. Else we will have the success. Okay, so set success message confirm password. Okay, so that's the success message. So let's see, submit. Okay, cannot be blank, let's put something ABC and ABD, let's say. Okay, so confirm password and confirm password does not match. Okay, let's put ABC and there we go. Okay, let's put abc@yahoo.com and ABC, and we have all success. Okay, now to add something more to it, okay, what we will be doing is we'll have a array. Okay, so is valid. Okay, this is array, new array. Okay, and this array, what we'll do, whenever there is an error, okay, whenever there is an error, what we will do is valid dot push, we will be pushing false. Okay, we will be pushing false. Else what will push is valid dot push, will push true. If it's success, will push true, else will push false. Okay, again in here same. Okay, is valid, okay, dot push, if there is a error it will push false. Okay, else here also it's an error, so is valid will be is valid dot push will be false. Okay, else okay, is valid will be else is valid will be dot push is valid will be true. Okay, so is valid will be true. So same everywhere. Okay, same everywhere. So same everywhere. Okay, same at other places also. If is valid is if it's an error, we are passing false, else we are pushing true. Okay, so like that. Okay, so same here also, whenever there is an error, we are passing is valid dot push false. Okay, okay, else is valid dot push true. Okay, so lastly this one also is valid dot push, we will push false. Okay, else again this is also an error, so is valid is false, is valid dot push false. Okay, okay, so this is also false. Okay, so this is also false, else it's success, so it will be true. So is valid dot push true. Okay, so at the end what we will do is if is valid dot includes. Okay, so includes function will check if the array includes any false. Okay, then what it will do, it will return false. Okay, else this will return true. Okay, so our validation, if any false is there, that means some condition isn't satisfied, so this will be false, otherwise this will return true. Okay, so now we have this function over here. So now we will be, what we will do, we will check over here. Okay, so if so we will get a value over here. So where we are getting a value over here. Okay, so we are getting a value over here, and then we are getting let's say our validation result. Okay, so we are getting our validation result. So if our validation result, so if validation result, okay, so if it's true, then alert success. Okay, else alert failed. Okay, for now. Okay, let's see what happens. So let's submit this. So failed. Okay, there is some error. Now let's give abc@yahoo.com. Okay, let's give password abc, and let's submit it. We are getting success. Okay, so we will change the modal. So let's go give SweetAlert. Okay, so coming to SweetAlert, coming over here, coming to SweetAlert, not SweetAlert 2, let's go to SweetAlert, where it is here. Coming over here, we have the CDN link. Let's copy this link. Okay, let's come over here above the script, our script, put it over there, and then we want, if it's a success, we want this one. Okay, success one, we want this one. So copy this, and alert, in place of alert, put it over here, and registration is success, or maybe we can write successful, and we can write over here, you have been registered successfully. And again we will copy this one only, we will copy this one only. Okay, we will put it over here. Went wrong. Okay, please check your input again. okay, and this will be type warning. Okay, now let's check once again. So this is the form. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, we are getting something went wrong. Please check your input again. Okay, let's enter ABC anything. Let's submit it. We are getting again something went wrong, but if you notice at the background, this has checked. Okay, so now let's give abc@yahoo.com. Again something went wrong, but this is checked. Okay, this is checked. These two are warning signs. Okay, so now let's put ABC and ABC. Okay, and then ABC you put, and now these two matches and you get successful, you have been registered successfully. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. So I will put the source code in the description, okay, so that you can review it. Bye.